Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you are enjoying this nice green weekend. So, Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidating and altcoins, especially metaverse and gaming coins, pumping. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, everything just for education and for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decision based on your research, and also take responsibility for your decisions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and let's go and share the screen and let's go to our favorite bubble chart. So as you see that most of the odds are in green. Bitcoin is down 0.3%, nothing special. Ethereum around 3,000 US dollar, down 1%. And we see that Arweave, Saitama, CVX correcting, but Gala is continuing to going up, and also Mana, Axie Infinity, and Sand is doing well. Chile is so nice to see, and Loopring, Leo and Flow, One Harmony, Hex is doing well. Let's check on a weekly. Gala increased 67%, guys, but this is also really far away the previous highs. We will look into it on TradingView, but good to see some nice pump in Gala. So guys, let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and we are at 37, and this is much closer to the neutral zone than it was yesterday, because yesterday we were at 33 and now we are a little bit higher but still in the fear zone. And guys, remember, when extreme fear is out there, the index can go as low as 10 or 11, and we see during January several times the index went to these lowest levels, just like in the summer dump last summer, the index dipped 4 or 5 times at 10. And guys, you know, after Warren Buffett, when investors are getting greedy, that's due for correction. When investors are so fearful, that's always a good buying opportunity. To also be greedy when others are fearful. This is his saying. Let's go and check our first news. Maybe this is the biggest news of the day and the weekend, that Meta goes to Brazil to trademark Bitcoin and crypto services. Who is Meta? Meta, guys, is Facebook. The new name of Facebook is Metaverse and Meta. So they are rebranding to Meta and also accelerating the effort to provide crypto services through its platform, and they are filing these in trademark to the Brazilian agencies. Okay, let's go. Design, development and implementation of software for third-party verification services for digital currency transactions, including but not limited to transactions involving Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We are always exploring new and emerging technologies, and I have spoken at length about how it's very interesting us right now. So this is huge news, because that means that Bitcoin comes into crypto, Bitcoin comes into Bitcoin, and there is no fear because just they want to push their deemed stablecoins because they already sold it to Silvergate Bank in the US. Next piece of news is OneX launches its first multi-token cryptocurrency fund. Yes, good news, but while it still has several Bitcoin, Ethereum funds already, and ETFs also across in Europe, and also I think also in Australia. So global crypto owners predicted to surpass 1 billion US dollar this year. This news is about crypto adoption. This is definitely huge. To reach 1 billion this year, that would be insane. I think just we are about around 200,000, but we will see. Maybe we will have a nice chart. So okay, so this is according to Crypto.com. Nations can no longer afford to ignore the growing push to crypto by the public. We may, in many cases, expect a friendlier stance towards the crypto industry, the company said. Okay. The number of crypto users is expected to break 1 million by the end of the year, end of 2022. So this is insane prediction. More nations facing a highly inflationary economy and depreciating currencies may adopt cryptocurrency as legal tender, following the example of El Salvador. Okay, I will leave it open and also get some more research on that. Next piece of news is that is Bitcoin balance a fake out or top for the crypto assets, and so what's this? Is this a fake out or this is real? It's a very hectic day heading into the weekend. The FOMO, fear of missing out, increasing across the markets, and people felt left out. Bitcoin has breaking out heavily after a slightly balances from 36,000. Another test happened 47,000, and then we started to shoot up. So I think this 38,000 became a really nice support for now. The question becomes whether we are having a fake out or a sustainable move, as the volume is the highest as we have anticipated since the actual crash occurred. So if we will break through, however, I'm assuming we are going to see the 44,000, 46,000 US dollar levels. The way we are going to that is the question here. Okay, if we are going to it today already on the next 24 hours, it's a fake out, and then we are probably going to test lower levels. We are getting into an environment where you have to stay focused, given that we are approaching higher time frame resistance and we would flipping a level for support. Okay, I'm not buying in 20,500 the first time, then we are testing that level after the actual final breakout. If we flip it, I think we are continuing to 46,000 US dollar. If we drop back to 40,000, back at 30,900, it's going to be a heavy correction, and I'm assuming that we are going to test the lows again. So quite interesting analysis. We will look into it. Next piece of news is top crypto assets looking bullish on as US midterm election approach, according to Bloomberg strategist. So this is from Bloomberg, Michael McGlone, and he says that crypto assets may have a lot going for them as US midterm elections approach, notably versus inflation-related commodities. Typical demand and supply elastic and crude prices buoyed by risk of war in Ukraine are strong catalysts to refresh oil's enduring bear market. So guys, oil is an enduring bear market. It's the opposite for Bitcoin and Ethereum, advocating technology. Bitcoin is gaining traction as a benchmark global digital assets, while oil is being replaced by decarbonization and electrification. Bitcoin may be uniquely situated for enduring price appreciation, while on its way to becoming global digital collateral. The firstborn crypto launched a revolution in the digitalization of finance, which appears in the early days. Next piece of news is digital dollar is bullish for Bitcoin or not. Grayscale head says GBDC, the national digital currencies, could create tailwind for crypto. What a tailwind. The emergence of a digital dollar, federal bank digital assets, we actually believe creates tailwind for investors to think about decentralized applications. So companies like PayPal and others are already including decentralized protocols like Bitcoin and others in the business model. Shedding light on the use of digital assets, we think, is an enablement factor that goes investors down. So I think this is huge, and this is how this will evolve, and also we'll see what's happening. Arizona state senator proposes a bill to make Bitcoin legal tender. This is definitely huge. Also, you can share it on the Twitter, especially if you are living in the US. Ethereum Coinbase evaluates a role ahead for Ethereum in new institutional research report. And the research report also contains Solana, Avalanche, and Terra Luna. And Ethereum 2.0 is the real Ethereum 2.0. It's not an Ethereum killer. So it's really important. Cool. On Ethereum we have DeFi, NFTs, and lots of interesting stuff with many applications. First time timeline for official ETH 2.0 implementation has shifted forward to 2023. When sharding will be completed and the interim alternative layer once may stop it to the what the Ethereum network either takes too longer or costs too much to do. So Ethereum 2.0 will just shifted in 2023. Second, scalability is only one problem affecting networks. At the moment, users or investors may not be focused on issues like maximum acceptable value, but as this ecosystem grows, such problems may warrant changes to the governance mechanism. Next piece of news is Binance begins allowing euro deposits and withdrawals via SEPA payment. This is quite important because you are able to not just pay with credit card, but also you can wire transfer, or just you can SEPA transfer your euros, and also you can withdraw to SEPA accounts. Next piece of news is LeBron James and Crypto.com team up for blockchain education initiative. So there will be a blockchain education initiative for kids and young people, and then I think this is also what we can support with our Money in the Right Direction movement, and also creating some content with it. So definitely huge. Let's go to our next news. After Twitter, Reddit might allow users to add NFTs as a profile picture. So guys, Twitter is not just adding NFTs as a profile picture, but also they created a kind of how should I say, a kind of control system when you can prove that you are holding your specific NFT, and you can state that I have this picture because I own it. Next piece of news is Daniel Larimer introduces the fractally DAO to deliver EOS original 2017 vision. So EOS started in 2017, raised a ton of funds, like more than 3 billion US dollar, and still holding most of them, but they haven't came out with any viable product that people like. So I hope that it will succeed, especially if I would be an EDA holder, but not. And here is what are CryptoPunks and why are they so important. So also we can look in CryptoPunks because these are NFTs. These are NFTs. So these are NFTs, and you can purchase one of these NFTs, and now we have some trending that worth maybe a few millions of dollars. So guys, this is for today. Please let's come and join, follow me on Twitter at MIKLOS and also follow at CorionX platform, and also read our tweets and retweet them. So many thank you for you. Just check this investment app and also check other things that I have shared here for you. So guys, let's join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. We have nice communication going on, and yeah, so let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. I should refresh the trading view page. Yes, so Bitcoin is holding strongly about 40,000 and trading around 40,500. This is the third day after this breakout. We haven't seen a retest yet, and also but consolidating nicely. If we are looking into the 4-hourly, that we see that this is a kind of bull flag. So if Bitcoin will have a continuation to the upside, then we can see a nice almost 100%. Okay, let's check how many percentage. So I think this is in reward ratio standpoint, it's really good trade. so 12, almost 13% for the to the upside, and just let's say limited percent to the downside. I would take a stop loss here around 4.7 US dollar. So guys, let's check the Bitcoin shorts. Bitcoin shorts decreasing further, so this is a good sign that shorts are getting wrecked and they are leaving the market. So maybe the trend will reverse very soon. Bitcoin dominance is side waving now as altcoins are going up. So Bitcoin is side waving, and we see there was a kind of breakout of this index, but now coming down. So I want to show you that yeah, Ethereum holding strongly at 3,000 US dollar. Also Ethereum broke our downward trending trend line, and now looks pretty good that broke this trend line and still holding, but I think we will have a retest someday. So guys, that's it for today. Please smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel, and also let's come and visit our farms. You find the links in the description. You can farm your ERC20 version of CorionX on farm.corion.io, and you can earn up to 330% APR. You can farm on BSC version token of CorionX on our app.corion.io, and you can provide liquidity on Uniswap and lock up your LP tokens to earn passively, actively, or without activity. So guys, this is for today. Hope you learned, hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much, smashing those like and push the bell notification on. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.